Do you want to take screenshots and capture all the cool moments while you're gaming and then share it with the community or your friends? Then you can easily do it by using Xbox Console's screenshot feature. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it, and I'll also show you other screenshot related settings. So let's dive right in. But note that you can take screenshots on Xbox Series S only when you're running a game. So let's open a game. Now that our game is running, to take a screenshot, you need to open the guide. And then you can simply press the Y button to capture your screenshot. But if your console has a dedicated share button, you can take screenshots from anywhere you want without opening the guide just by pressing the share button. You can also do it by opening the guide and then going to Capture and Share tab and then selecting Capture Screenshot, but it takes a long time. Now after you have taken the screenshot, you'll see a pop-up on top of your screen. Now after you have taken a screenshot, you'll get a pop-up saying that you have just taken a capture. You can open it right away by pressing down the Xbox button on your console, and from here you can view, share, upload, set it as a background, or delete your screenshot. And to see all your captures, select Show All Captures, and from here you'll be able to view all the screenshots you have taken. And from here you can also bring up the same menu by highlighting a screenshot and then pressing the menu button. If you want to view your screenshots later, then just open the guide again and then navigate to Capture and Share, and then select Recent Captures. You should note that by default, Xbox will automatically upload your captures to the Xbox network. If you don't want that, then you need to disable it by going to the Capture and Share again and then selecting Capture Settings. And from here, you'll have to open the Automatically Upload tab and then select Don't Upload from the drop-down menu. You can also disable game captures by selecting Allow Game Captures and then choosing Don't Capture. After that, you won't be able to take screenshots. Now let's change it back. And from here, you can also choose the capture location. And if you have an external storage available, you can select that. Now you know how to capture, manage, and share game screenshots on Xbox Series S. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support our work, and I'll see you in the next video.